it's like really like, I would say it's like holding a powerful weapon in your hands. So basically you're locked and loaded, baby. So let's go. All right, so I'm excited about this one. So today we're diving into the revolutionary world of L.A.B golf putters, specifically the brand new Df3 model, the Directed Force 3. Basically, you probably heard the buzz around these putters being akin like to basically like a cheat code. And trust me, I would say like after my experience, I can't help but to agree. L.A.B golf stands for lie angle balance golf, and it's not just a catchy name. I would say the design of their putter really ensures unparalleled stability throughout your putting stroke. And so basically you're saying goodbye to twisting and turning or any type of torquing or like manipulation through, during your putting stroke. And so I would say the Df3 really remains steadfast, making it incredibly like easy to return square to the ball and your target at impact. I recommend watching some of L.A.B's demo because it might really just change your perception of putting altogether. It definitely did catch my attention, and which led me down a rabbit hole of really wanting to check out L.A.B golf putters. So I'll put the link in below and please go check it out. I highly recommend it. So I just got back from a trip from Scottsdale, Phoenix. That was my winter golf trip. And so basically before that trip, I dropped $450 and tested this new Df3 for the first time at TPC Scottsdale. Let me say, I was blown away by its performance on the real greens. And I'll admit, it was kind of risky to buy a new putter to test drive it basically for the first time on a nice course like TPC. But honestly, I have no regrets because this putter, I was blown away by it. And I'm glad that I ended up buying it and used it at TPC Scottsdale. I want to talk about the looks first, right? The looks and just the design. So I would say L.A.B nailed it with the size and proportion of the Df3. Unlike its predecessor, the Df 2.1, which definitely drew some criticism for its size. I think some of the golfers, they loved the 2.1, but some people were kind of self-conscious of the size of it. But I honestly think the Df3, this really like strikes the perfect balance of compactness and honestly thickness and weight. The other thing that I really do like is the addition of the ball pickup feature, which I think it's great. It's simple, efficient, gets the job done, especially for those gimmies. It also comes with a really nice head cover, I would say. And so it's great quality overall. And then you have the T alignment and also the pistol grip added for its appeal. Honestly, it's like really like, I would say it's like holding a powerful weapon in your hands. So basically you're locked and loaded, baby. So let's go. Confidence, confidence, confidence. Confidence with the Df3 is ridiculous. And again, this is just my opinion, but something about having this putter just feels right. When you're just like focused on aiming correctly, you just basically kind of let it do its thing. And so basically the lie angle balance really, like I would say, ensures that the face stays pointed at the target throughout the stroke, really requiring, I'd say, minimal manipulation, any type of torquing, any type of twists and turns. Almost feel like the putter moves effortlessly and consistently, starting the ball on line. And again, you don't have to worry about keeping the face square. and just really, you just focus on reading greens. And if there's one thing about this putter or any of like L.A.B's putter, it really reveals the lack of skill in reading greens. And so yeah, I just realized I need to do a better job of how to read greens or lines better. At $450 stock, with customization options, they're ranging from about $600 to $1,000 plus. This putter may seem pricey, all right? I'll admit, they seem pricey, but trust me, I would say the investment is worth it. With fewer putts missed, it's a game changer, and it definitely will make you feel more confident. You'll probably mentally you'll feel better knowing that you'll have less 3 putts. Your putting game would be that much better. And so for me personally, I'm definitely going to be bagging the Df3 putter this season ahead. Not only that, but I guess basically I can say that I'm joining a cult-like following of L.A.B golfers. All right, so golf friends, please go check out this putter. All right, go check it out. I'd say really innovation and technology really set L.A.B golf apart, and the Df3 is a testament to that. So again, going back, Sam Han and your team, you guys have outdone yourselves, especially with this Df3. So cheers to game-changing putts with the L.A.B Df3, and until then, I'll talk to you guys later.